Once upon a time, there was a big banyan tree in the forest beneath the mighty Himalayas. Living near this banyan tree were three very good friends. They were a quail, a monkey, and an elephant. Each of them was quite smart. Occasionally, the three friends got into a disagreement. When this happened, they did not consider the opinion of any one of them to be more valuable. No matter how much experience each one had, his opinion was treated the same as the others. So it took them a long time to reach an agreement. Every time this happened, they had to start from the beginning to reach a solution. After a while, they realized that it would save time and help their friendship if they could shorten their disagreements. They decided that it would certainly help if they consider the most valuable opinion first. Then, if they could agree on that one, they would not have to waste time and possibly even become less friendly by arguing about the other two. Fortunate, Fortunately, they all thought the most valuable opinion was the one based on the most experience. Therefore, they could live together even more peacefully if they gave higher respect to the oldest among them. Only if this opinion were clearly wrong would they need to consider others. Unfortunately, the elephant and the monkey and the quail had no idea which one was the oldest. Since this was a time before old age was respected, they had no reason to remember their birthdays or their ages. Then one day, while they were relaxing in the shade of the big banyan tree, the quail and the monkey asked the elephant, "As far back as you can remember, what was the size of this banyan tree?" The elephant replied, "I remember this tree for a very long time. When I was just a little baby, I used to scratch my belly by rubbing it over the tender shoots on the top of this banyan tree." Then the monkey said, "When I was a curious baby monkey, I used to sit and examine the little settling banyan tree. Sometimes I used to bend over and nibble its top tender leaves." The monkey and the elephant asked the quail, "As far back as you can remember, what was the size of this banyan tree?" The quail said, I was looking for food in a nearby forest. In that forest, there was a big old banyan tree, which was full of ripe berries. I ate some of those berries, and the next day I was standing right here. This was where I let my dropping falls, and the seeds they contained grew up to be this very tree." The monkey and the elephant said, "Oh, Sir Quail, you must be the oldest. You deserve our respect and honor. From now, from now on, we will pay close attention to your words. Based on your wisdom and experience, advise us when we make mistakes. When there are disagreements, we will give the highest place to your opinion. We ask only that you be honest and just." The cow replied, "I thank you for your respect, and I promise to always do my best to deserve it." It just so happened that this wise little quail was the Bodhisattva, the enlightenment being. The moral is, respect for the wisdom of elders leads to harmony.